Hello, I'm Justine Murphy with Vision Systems Design's Focus on Vision. There are some really cool things happening in machine vision and imaging. Let's take a look. There's more to raising chickens than you may think, especially as international standards for poultry production evolve. Now, researchers in Brazil are making some of the processes simpler and more accurate. A team at Paulista University has designed and now validated a scalable automated sensing platform for smart farming that quantifies the feeding biomechanics of broiler chickens, those bred specifically for meat production, in real time. It can offer a better understanding of, in particular, beak kinematics, the motion of objects using position, velocity, acceleration, and time. The dual-function, automated, non-invasive hardware-software platform involves the EOSense Co-Express high-speed industrial camera from industrial vision camera developer Allied Vision. Operating at 300 frames per second, the technology can resolve rapid chicken beak kinematics that are not visible via standard video equipment. The platform simultaneously monitors feeding production efficiency and tracks various animal welfare indicators. The team calls the approach a technological bridge for generating the continuous behavioral data streams that will power next-generation precision livestock farming. Next steps will focus on incorporating Edge AI into the platform to test it in commercial barns, where lighting tends to be more obstructive. Oil and gas companies worldwide must continually evolve to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Part of that means inspecting and monitoring natural gas pipelines to detect leaks or other issues. That can, of course, be difficult. Most pipelines are not easily accessible, and gases like methane are invisible and odorless. But technology by electrification and automation specialist ABB is helping. This includes HoverGuard, a drone-based imaging system that can detect, map, and measure methane leaks in hard-to-access areas, including high-rise buildings and landfills. Even further, the technology, which covers as much as 15 times more land area per minute than conventional detection approaches, can precisely and quickly locate natural gas leaks and estimate the scope of them. HoverGuard is part of ABB's Ability suite of natural gas leak detection technology, which company representatives say provide more reliable ways to inspect energy infrastructure quickly and economically. A new AI vision platform is helping boost quality and inspection applications by solving some long-standing challenges associated with traditional computer vision functions. Solidigm, a data storage and software developer, has introduced its Luceta AI software suite, which aids enterprises with building, deploying, and improving visual models for industries like manufacturing and logistics. The technology's developers say it's designed to make visual AI practical and accessible for those working closely with the data, but is fast and powerful enough to improve efficiency for data science teams. More specifically, Luceta in the manufacturing realm enables identification of defects in things like automotive paint, or in rubber and plastic mold injection components on the line. For logistics and warehouse use, developers say it can count applications for ship-to-order verifications and mismatch reconciliation. The software platform features edge-first architecture that processes data locally, eliminating data transfer latency, costs, and privacy concerns, as well as fully automated data selection and model convergence via generative AI. Solidigm representatives say Luceta ultimately helps users rapidly and continuously improve processes in production environments. That's it for this edition of Focus on Vision. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit vision-systems.com for the most up-to-date, interesting, and exciting news impacting the machine vision and imaging industry.